Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the cleanest, coolest, and most capable pre-built gaming rigs out there right now, the Skytech Azure Gaming PC. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description to get this PC at the best available price today. Deals like this don't stay forever, and stock does run out quick, so don't wait. Light bulb emoji. Specs overview, what you're getting. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7700X, 8 cores, 16 threads, boosts up to 5.4 GHz. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB, DLSS 3 ready, great for 1080p/1440p gaming. Memory, 16GB DDR5 5200 MHz RAM, next-gen fast and future-ready. Storage, 1TB NVMe SSD, super quick boot and load times. Cooling, 360mm ARGB AIO Liquid Cooler, keeps things chill even under stress. Power supply, 650 watts 80+ Gold, efficient and upgrade-friendly. Case, Skytech Azure with RGB fans and tempered glass. OS, Windows 11 Home, fully installed and ready to go out of the box. Gear emoji, gaming performance, what can it handle? Thanks to the powerful Ryzen 7 7700X and the efficient RTX 4060, this PC crushes pretty much anything you throw at it. Bullseye emoji, Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Apex, 144+ FPS on ultra settings. Milky Way emoji, Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, Alan Wake 2, smooth gameplay at high settings with DLSS support. Mage emoji, Baldur's Gate 3, Hogwarts Legacy, Elden Ring, flawless 60 to 100+ FPS at 1440p. Desktop computer emoji, esports titles like Valorant, CS2, Overwatch 2, locked at high refresh rates. Plus, with DLSS 3 and ray tracing, you get cutting-edge visuals without sacrificing performance. Ice emoji, thermals and build quality, silent and cool. What makes the Skytech Azure stand out is its 360mm AIO Liquid Cooler. That's the kind of cooling usually found in custom water-cooled rigs, and here, it comes pre-installed and RGB synced. Temps stay well under control, even in long sessions. And with the ARGB fans, this PC not only runs cool, it looks fire emoji while doing it. The case is sleek, professional, and cleanly designed. It has great airflow, a toolless layout, and that signature tempered glass side panel. Brain emoji, everyday use plus streaming ready. The DDR5 RAM and Ryzen 7000 series CPU don't just help in gaming, they're amazing for hammer and wrench emoji, 4K video editing. Satellite antenna emoji, streaming to Twitch or YouTube via OBS. Chart with upwards trend emoji, running multiple Chrome tabs, Discord, Spotify, Steam, no hiccups. You're getting a system that's not just a gaming machine, but a full-on content creation powerhouse. Present emoji, what's included in the box? Skytech Azure Gaming Desktop, fully built and tested. Gaming RGB keyboard. Gaming mouse. Power cord. Quick start guide. Just plug it into your monitor and go. White check mark emoji, final verdict, is it worth it? Absolutely. The Skytech Azure gives you white check mark emoji, powerful next-gen performance. White check mark emoji, excellent cooling with liquid AIO. White check mark emoji, DDR5 RAM for future-proofing. White check mark emoji, stunning design with premium build quality. White check mark emoji, all backed by Skytech's trusted customer service and warranty. If you're a gamer, streamer, or creator who wants a ready-to-go, high-performance rig that won't need upgrading anytime soon, this is it. Bullseye emoji, pros, Ryzen 7 7700X and RTX 4060 equals great all-around combo. Next-gen DDR5 RAM equals faster load and multitask speed. Liquid cooling keeps temps in check. Sleek ARGB design looks fantastic. Strong value for high-end specs. Warning emoji, cons. No Wi-Fi antenna included on some batches, check specs only 1TB SSD, might need more if you have a massive game library. Video game emoji, bottom line. Whether you're upgrading from an old rig or jumping into the world of PC gaming for the first time, The Skytech Azure gaming PC is a serious contender in the sub-$1,500 range. Package emoji, grab yours today via the link below before it sells out or the price jumps. Game smooth, stream sharp, and create without limits. Rocket emoji, personal computer emoji, video game emoji.